Happy Sunday, guys. How are you all doing today? I hope each and every one of you are doing great. Let's get right into making some lemon cake today, and I will be listing all details in the description box below. So I'm adding some butter and sugar into this large bowl, and I'm going to cream them for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'm going to add 2 eggs, one at a time. And you want this to cream until the mixture becomes light and fluffy, alright? Now I'm just going to make sure I scrape the sides of the pan, making sure that the sugar does not stick to the side or the bottom, and I'm going to add the flour. At this time, I'm going to use the paddle attachment to do the mixing. Add the salt, some baking powder. I'm also adding some lemon extract. And let this mix. So I'm going to add the milk gradually. And don't be scared, all measurements will be down below. Let this mix for another 1.5 minutes on medium-high. Now I'll add 1/2 teaspoon of grated lemon rind. And let this continue mixing for another 30-40 seconds. You can see at this time that this mixture is light, it's fluffy, it's creamy and nice, guys. And you can tell what the outcome of this cake is going to be like. So at this time, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds. And if you don't want poppy seeds into your cake, then you can just leave it out. Give it a nice little mix. And you know you have a very good mixture when you put that spatula right up into the butter and it stands and it does not fall. So over here, I am going to spray my non-stick pan with some vegetable oil. You can also dust your pan with some flour. And I have my oven set to 275 degrees. Place the mixture into the pan. Just like this, and then sprinkle a few more poppy seeds right over the top. And guys, this lemon cake is a dense, flavorful, and very popular cake. Alright, let this bake for 50 minutes, and you know it's done when you insert a toothpick and it comes out clean. So let's start by making our lemon glaze. Over here I have 1/4 cup of icing sugar, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And you want to have a mixture looking like this. And once the cake is cool, remove it from the pan, place it onto your serving tray, and just pour that lemon glaze right over the top. Now we are going to cut right up into this cake, and let me tell you guys, this cake is soft and fluffy, but it still holds together when you cut into it. The lemon flavor is balanced and fresh. It's simple to work with, and the frosting has brought this cake to the next level. Alright, so this is what my cake looks like when it's cut, and there is one word that I would use to describe my cake, and that's fluffy. And here you have it, guys. Give this cake a try. Let me know how it turned out. Don't you forget to subscribe. Give my video a thumbs up. Leave me a beautiful comment. Enjoy, and I will see you in my next video.